All right, let's look at writing an equation from 2 points. Okay. So what is the equation of the line that goes to the points 2, 4, and 3, 6? So when I write a linear equation, I'm going to use y equals mx plus b. I need a slope and a y-intercept. I was not given either one of these. Okay. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use these 2 points to find the slope. Okay. So I'm going to use a table here to do this. So I'll insert the first point and the second point, and then I'm going to find out how far they are apart. So delta y, or the change in the y, is to increase by 2, and the delta x is to increase by 1. So then I'll use my slope formula, which is delta y over x. Okay. The next thing I have to do, so there's my slope. So the next thing I have to do is pick a point, doesn't matter which one, and the slope, sorry, and write the linear equation. So I'm going to use the point 3, 6. I could use the point 2, 4, it doesn't matter. Okay. So then I'm going to take this and I'm going to substitute that information into y equals mx plus b into my linear equation. Okay. So when I do that, I'm left with everything except a b. Right. So then I'll solve for the b. 2 times 3 is 6. Subtract 6 to both sides. Equals 0. And then I'll write my final equation using my m and b. So my slope is 2, my y-intercept is 0, so I can just write that as y equals 2. Okay. So what's the process? I need to find the slope, then plug the slope and a point, any point on the line, into the equation y equals mx plus b, my slope-intercept form, solve for the b, and then go back and rewrite again. Okay. So let's try another one. It goes to the point 4, 4 and the point 3, negative 5. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find the slope. Okay. So plug in my first point, which is 4, 4, and my second point, which is 3, negative 5. I'm going to find my delta y. That goes down 9 spaces from 4 to negative 5. That's a decrease of 9. My delta x, or how I'm changing the left to right direction, is negative 1. My slope is negative 9 over negative 1. That reduces to 9. Okay, so now I have the slope. Then I'm going to pick a point and a slope. So I pick the point 3, negative 5, and I'm using the slope, which is 9. And then I will substitute that into y equals mx plus b. Okay. My y value is negative 5. My slope is 9. My x value is 3. I'm going to solve for the b value now. Solve for the b value. So 9 times 3 is 27. Subtract 27 to both sides of the equation. I get b equals negative 32. Now I can write the final equation with the slope and the y-intercept, the m and the b, and the answer is y equals 9x minus 32. All right, let's do one more. So now the equation, we want to write the equation for the line that goes to the point negative 6, 7 and 6, 1. So find the slope between the 2 points. First one in and the second one in. Okay. So the delta y is going down 6 spaces, so negative 6. And then the distance between negative 6 and 6 is 12. It's increasing, so it's positive 12. So delta y over delta x, which is our definition of slope, is negative 6 divided by 12, which equals negative 1/2 when it reduces down. Okay. So now I got a slope. Okay. So now I got to pick a point and the slope. So I pick the point 6, 1. Okay. And then I'm going to substitute that information into my slope-intercept form, or y equals mx plus b. My y is 1, my slope is negative 1/2, and my x value is 6. Okay. And then I'm going to solve for the b. Okay. Negative 1/2 times 6 is the same as multiplying by 6 over 1. Multiply the numerators and the denominator straight across. Reduce. Okay. I get negative 3. Add a 3 to both sides of the equation. E equals 4. 4 equals b. Write my final equation using my slope and my y-intercept. Okay. The answer is y equals negative 1 half x plus 4.